Cymru yw'r wlad gyntaf yn y byd sy'n cynnig cyfle i bob un o'i hysgolion gymryd rhan mewn rhaglun dysgu creadigol. Dyma gyfle arloesol sy'n rhoi'r celfyddydau a creadigrwydd wrth wraidd addysg.
Creative learning through the arts is the most ambitious program imaginable. It intends to change the whole learning culture of our schools. And it's going to do that by putting creativity at the centre of learning.
What we know is that our children and young people will be entering into a global jobs market where skills around creativity, being able to adapt, being able to think of new ways of solving problems, perhaps problems we haven't even encountered yet, is going to be absolutely crucial. So as we move towards our new curriculum in Wales, developing creativity in our children and young people is absolutely key.
We talk about the new curriculum, the 4 core purposes, and about ethical, informed individuals and capable learners, enterprising. All of these sort of skill sets really the arts can deliver. So we give a much more holistic approach to what learning should look like in the future.
Dyluniwyd y Cynllun Ysgolion Creadigol Arweiniol i gynyddu profiadau a chyfleoedd celfyddydol mewn ysgolion, i wella cyrhaeddiad trwy greadigrwydd, i gefnogi athrawon ac ymarferwyr celfyddydol i ddatblygu eu sgiliau, ac i wneud y profiad dysgu ac addysgu o'r ansawdd uchaf posib, bob dydd ar lawr dosbarth.
The old model of learning and teaching, where teacher instructs pupil top down, you do what I tell you, is not going to create the learners that we need for the future. So for the well-being of society and for its prosperity, we need different kinds of learners. And creative learning through the arts is all about developing those. And the great news is that it works.
Head teachers are telling us that this programme, particularly the Lead Creative Schools element of the programme, is helping them prepare for the new curriculum. So we are hearing about creativity being seen as central to the learning of pupils, but also to the professional development of teachers. And head teachers telling us that what they're learning from this programme, they're now applying to school planning and curriculum design, and they're sharing their creative habits across the whole school. So really developing a whole school approach to putting creativity at the heart of learning.
I think it's really exciting how this new approach to learning in the classroom is just really snowballing. It's taken off, the new curriculum is on the horizon, and it just feels there's like an anticipation and an enthusiasm catching on in schools, and that's amazing to see.
The kids have become more resilient, more independent, and there's been a level of maturity in the group. And I think, wow, what a trip these kids have been on. You know, what an amazing process this has been.
Mae'r prosiect yma'n effeithio gwahanol blant ar wahanol edegau mewn gwahanol sefyllfaoedd. Enwedig y rhai sy'n cael ei clasio fel y rhai distaw neu beth bynnag ti sy'n cael nhw. Dwi'n mynd trio rhai pobl mewn boxes, ond mae eisiau disgrifio hyn rwsyd. Ond ti'n cael un cymeriad yn mynd, waw, ia, dwi'n darllen awan, oherwydd y gan yna. A wedyn mae'r athro mynd, di orio wedi gwneud hynna blaen. Dyna pan da ni yma.
Children don't see a ceiling, do they? You know, they think you can teach me anything. And having to see them working so kinesthetically, working with their hands, building things, building structures, seeing them experiment and play with things is so much more important than what you put in a book. I want the whole of the staff in the school to feel the same passion towards creative learning.
Lots of parents commented to us that they always know when it's a Creative Schools Day because the children are so excited about coming into school, and always had lots to tell them when they were going home. So our ambition is to make every day a Creative Schools Day.